All right, next thing's next. Here we go. We're going to work on inverse and direct variations. First things first, on this first clip, I'm going to go over just strictly inverse variations, and then next I'm going to go through direct variations. So first things first, we know that this equation y equals k over x, k is the constant, like a situation where if your friends are we're going on a field trip, the bus will always cost 125 bucks. The more people that come, the cheaper it gets per person, okay? So first things first, it says if x and y vary inversely, y equals 10. Remember, this is another thing, or another way to find it is x times y equals k. So we always need to know our constant in both situations in order to answer these questions. So it says first, if y, they vary inversely, y is 10 when x is 3. So we got to find that k first. So 10 times 3 equals 30. So now we know our k is 30. All right, so now we're using this equation, y equals 30 over x. This next question says find x when y is 6. So now 6 equals 30 over x. Let's follow the rules. Yes, I know your mental math, you already know 30 divided by 5. But again, sometimes it's not going to be that easy. So follow the process. You got to multiply the x out of the denominator. That's crucial. So now this says 6x equals 30 divided by 6 and x equals 5. Okay? Please trust the process on this. I'm going to do the next one right now. You can pause me and copy this down. I got places to be this morning. Next one says the same thing. If x and y vary inversely, y is negative 8 when x is 4. Let's find that k first. Negative 8 times 4 we know is negative 32. There's our k. So y equals negative 32 over x. Okay, follow the process. Find y when x is negative 16. Y equals negative 32 over negative 16. Y equals 2. There is that. Pause it, take notes. You will see this on the quiz. Give me a minute. All right, now we're back. I got a couple new questions, and this directly goes with direct variations. My first question says if x and y vary directly, y equals 12 when x equals 4, find x when y equals 39. Let's first find out what that constant is. Okay, this is, remember, this is a linear equation right now because we were doing the constant with no y-intercept. So y is 12 is equal to k times x is 4. It's as simple as this, solve for k, so 3 equals k. So now I know I'm using this equation, y equals 3x. It says find x when y is 39. 39 equals 3x, basic solving equations, and I get 13 equals x. Done. Okay? That's how you do that. Next, let's go on. Pause me if you need to. Next one says if x and y vary directly, y equals negative 8 when x equals negative 2. Let's find out what k is first. Negative 8 equals k times negative 2. Divide both sides by negative 2, and I get 4 equals k. There's that. So now we're using the equation y equals 4x. Find y when x equals 8. It's as basic as this. So y equals 32. There you go. You'll be seeing some of these on the quiz on Friday.